I'm back with another Apecoin video here. I have a Apecoin price prediction for you guys from Changely at the end of this video. I think anybody out there holding Ape will appreciate these price predictions. They should get you pretty excited, but I don't see anybody talking about this coin very much. First of all, I'm going to show you guys the technicals on this coin because personally, I believe this thing is getting ready to make a pretty massive move. Okay, you can see the last times we've came down into this price area. All right, through here you can see number one, you can see this area right here and the reaction we had, this one here and the price reaction we had. Okay, we're approaching those areas again. Obviously we are right about in the middle here. Okay, could pull down a little bit more towards the $3 area, but let me give you an idea here. The last time what kind of reaction we had out of these things. Okay, take the swing load and the high, 140%. okay, this one over here went up 132%. all right, so this thing's getting into an area where, like I said, past price action has had a reaction to. Okay, pretty massive reaction. All right, the daily RSI on Ape is just getting ready to curve up. Okay, it's at a 7 and a 13 right now. If you look down the bottom here to the regular RSI, it is it's oversold. Okay, it's down to a 31. If we go out to the weekly, look at this one. That's the one you want to see. You know, it's at 0 and a 6.9. all right, by tomorrow, Monday morning, in the eastern United States, May 8th, this thing should be reset and heading up. all right, so that's when you can get some massive price action out of a coin, especially when that weekly is reset. Okay, the daily moving averages right now, we are below both of those, and actually we flipped bearish right there. Okay, the 200 went over the 50. Back here we had that golden cross, the 50 crossed over the 200, but now we've had the bearish flip. But like I said, I believe we are approaching a very solid area where we have had massive price reaction to. Okay, so like I said, this thing could come down some more, no doubt about it, but the RSI's relative strength index, this thing is massively oversold, so this thing could get a huge bounce. Let's get to these price predictions. All right, for 2024, they have a minimum price of $5.21 and a max of $8.67 for 2024. If we move on to 2025, they have a minimum of $7.65 and it looks like a max of $12.94. 2026, a minimum of $11.22 and a max of $18.58. 2027, a minimum of $16.41 and a maximum of $27.30. For 2028, we have a minimum of $23.49 and a max of $39.35. 2029, $34.99 minimum, and we have a $58.32 maximum. And for 2030, $49.92 minimum and a maximum of $84. 2031, they say it will be traded for at least $99.53 and a maximum of $123.37. okay, so that's 2031. 2032, it says, wow, the maximum Ape price of $175.12, and it might drop to around $145.17 for 2032. all right, and that is as far as it goes, and that is written by Changely, very credible company. So if we go back to Apecoin and we actually zoom out to the weekly, let's put a Fibonacci on that thing and see what a fib says as far as a target for this thing just for the next bull run. You know, you could be looking at you know, a full 4.236 extension would take it out to $136, you know, if it did the full 4.236. So their estimations are definitely not out of line, you know. The Fibonacci's, I stand by them, you know. They're like almost like a cheat code for traders. I love my fibs. So please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate it so very much, and thank you. Have a great night.